Hey there, space enthusiasts. Welcome to Science Sketches, where we explore the wonders of the cosmos. Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of Saturn's rings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stellar content. Saturn's rings have fascinated humans since Galileo first saw them through his telescope in 1610. He described them as ears on the planet, not realizing they were separate structures. The rings are made of billions of particles, mostly ice with some rock and dust, ranging in size from tiny grains to house-sized chunks. They span an incredible 282,000 kilometers, but their thickness is only about 10 meters. How did the rings form? Some scientists believe they're remnants of a moon or comet that shattered long ago. Others think they're as old as the planet itself, dating back billions of years. Thanks to missions like Cassini, we've learned that the rings are not static. They're constantly shaped by Saturn's gravity and its moons, creating gaps and waves that are both beautiful and mysterious. Saturn's rings are a cosmic masterpiece, reminding us of the beauty and complexity of our universe. Like this video if you've enjoyed the journey, and subscribe to Science Sketches for more celestial wonders.